Welcome back, guys, to the channel. Hola Opulence. Thank you so much for joining me in the Opulence Cave again. Today, I have another wonderful unboxing for you guys. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and comment in the section below. Without further ado, we are going to get straight into this unboxing, and it's going to be a wonderful unboxing as well because it's something that I've had in the collection for a while, and I just want to do the unboxing. I've never actually seen it. I've never opened it. It is intact the way it came from the factory. So you guys already know, if you've seen the thumbnail, it is the Adidas Fear of God basketball sneakers in the clay colorway. So without further ado, let's get straight into the box and see what it's looking like out there. So you can see how fresh this box is. It is very, very clean. It is it's not stained or anything like that. You have the straight, this is a size 10.5, I believe. Yes, 10.5, I believe, because from the research I did, this sneaker, it is very, very tight. So I did go up half a size to just make it a little comfortable. Okay, so opening the box, this is a sleeve. So there's the main box inside right there. Okay, so it comes like that from the factory. Oh, if I can get this sleeve out. So it comes like that, wrapped in tissue paper. So we're gonna be taking that tissue paper off. So once you take the tissue paper off, the box looks just like that. You got the 3 bars right there that Adidas and Fear of God Athletics is known for right there. And then you've got the Adidas right there as well. And we have it on the other side. Yep. And the other side as well, you got it says Adidas Fear of God right there as well. So we're gonna slide. This is my first reaction seeing this clay basketball colorway, okay? So we're gonna slide it open and see what it looks like. I've actually never seen this in person. I've only seen pictures of it and videos, okay? So I just open it, and then it comes like that. And then you have the tissue paper that says Adidas Fear of God right on the tissue paper right there. And once you peel it back, you see two shiny bags in there. And I'm gonna take one foot out. Ooh, man, this is a really, really quality bag. Okay, man. When it comes to packaging, like I'm a sucker for good packaging. Like Fear of God and Adidas, like they don't take no prisoners. So that's what it's looking like right there. It says Adidas Fear of God on the shiny bag right there, and the bag has like a Velcro, which I'm gonna basically open. I'm just gonna open it, pull it open, and you can hear again going open down. Okay, my first reactions seeing the Adidas Fear of God in the clay colorway. Oh wow, it's actually really nice. All right, guys, you ready? 1, 2, 3, bam! That is the Adidas Fear of God basketball. And this is the first one to be specific because I know there's another one out now. So this is brand new from the factory, from Adidas. The way it comes out, you know, so you can see it right there. So I'm gonna take the other foot out so we can talk about the materials and the sizing, which is really, really important because the sizing, man, like if you're gonna get this, if you're interested in getting this, the sizing is very, very important for this one. I can tell you that for sure. So the other foot as well has the same bag that says Adidas Fear of God on it with the tissue paper right there. And then I will definitely be doing the on-feet for you guys for this one. This is really nice, man. I can tell you, like, the quality is absolutely insane as usual. Okay, so let's start from the bottom. You see the bottom right there is like a off-white track with the herringbone traction right there. In front, it's got that Adidas right there. You can see in the front right there, it says Adidas. And then on the midsole, obviously, is the off-white midsole right there. And on the back, it says Fear of God right there on the back. So, so that's it for that. And then on the upper, it has this coating on the mesh, which kind of makes it kind of like a waterproof light kind of thing. You know, like all this scuba diving gear, like the way they kind of coat them. So I feel like if it's raining, water is not going to get into your shoe here. You know, so right there. So that's what the front is looking like. You can see that coating on top of it right there. And then you see the coating still goes all the way to the side. You see that 3 stripe on the side right here. And on the other side as well, it's got the 3 stripe, 3 stripe as well. But the thing is, I don't know, because of all this coating right here, I don't know how breathable this is going to be. But I can tell you from the first impression, I really, really like the way this basketball shoe looks aesthetically. From what I heard as well, it's not really like a good shoe to basketball in, to play basketball in, but aesthetically for fashion, this is really, really pleasing. I can tell you that. So continuing to the material, it's got that clay upper with the coating on the side and on the other side, and then the mesh in the middle is got like some sort of elastic kind of like material in the middle, almost like a tight right there, you know. So, and it has like a stop right there as well with the rubber up there on the top if you want to cinch yourself down, all this kind of stuff. And then the lace is more of that colorway, that clay colorway right there. And then on the lace, you see it's got that stopper as well with the 3 bars on top of it. You can see that, you know, it's very, very nice. I could tell you for sure. I really like it. On the inside, let's see, on the back, on the top right there, it's got like some sort of is it a let me see. It's not a pull tab, or is it a pull tab? No, it's not. It's actually stitched down. So it has this kind of like line of some sort of ribbon or whatever. I don't know what that is, but it's stitched down and it's just like a straight line, you know, but it's a little wide. And this is the clay colorway in the Adidas Fear of God basketball shoes. So to me, this is more of a fashion lifestyle piece. For me, it's not. I don't really play basketball like that. So, but generally, if I was going to play basketball, I wouldn't play basketball in this. That's just from my opinion and from the research I've done. I don't think you could play basketball comfortably in this. So on the inside, it's got the same Adidas branding, kind of like on the inside as well. On the let me see, the sock liner. Let's see if I can take it out. Yeah, it's proven to be a little difficult, but anyway, on the sock liner is clay as well, and it says Adidas on here as well. That Adidas Fear of God branding on the sock liner. Overall, I really, really like the this shoe right here. The aesthetic is very, very nice. That clay colorway for me is definitely doing it for me. You're gonna see what it looks like on feet. I'm really, really excited to style this for you guys. So this is the kind of like the shoe one that comes on the inside. So I'm gonna put that right back. So guys, so I for sizing, guys, I gotta tell you, you need to go up at least half a size. And if you have a wider foot, I think you should go up a full size. You will make it more comfortable. So make sure you go up at least half a size. That is going to be my recommendation, because I do have the I think it's the off-white as well. I forgot the official name for it, but it's like the kind of like the cream colorway of this same one. It's there somewhere. I think that's it right there. Oh, right there. I think that's it right there. So yeah, so I will do a review on that as well, so you can see what that looks like. But this is the clay colorway, with the herringbone on the bottom. Uh, for me overall, it's a nice shoe. It's something different. It's fear of God, and that aesthetic in terms of the way the front is always shaped when it comes to fear of God shoes and sneakers. It's the same aesthetic, and for me, I really really like it. I'm a big fan of fear of God, so I'm very, very happy and delighted to add this to my collection. So far, guys, today, that is all I've got for you on this. So make sure you slap that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like content like this, and comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think about the Adidas and Fear of God collab. What you make of this basketball ones when it comes to Fear of God and Adidas. Are you going to be trying to add it to your collection? And don't forget, if you're trying to add it to your collection, make sure you go up at least half a size. So that, guys, that's all I got for you today. All the opulence out.